Are you tired of paying thousands of dollars to web developers when all you need is a simple website for your business? Picture this scenario. You are a small business owner who knows exactly what you want your website to say and do, but every time you try to build it yourself, you get lost in confusing code, complicated design tools, or expensive monthly subscriptions that require technical knowledge you simply do not have. You end up either paying a fortune to developers or settling for a basic template that looks nothing like what you envisioned. Here is the good news. Artificial intelligence has completely changed the game. You can now create professional websites using nothing but plain English instructions. No coding required, no design experience needed. Just tell the AI what you want, and it builds it for you. Let me walk you through the 5 best AI website builders that work exactly this way. First, we have Wix ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. You simply answer a few questions about your business in plain English, and it creates a complete website in under 10 minutes. Pricing starts at $14 per month. The reason this works so well is that Wix has analyzed millions of successful websites and knows exactly what converts visitors into customers. Second is Durable AI. This platform takes a different approach. You literally type one sentence describing your business, and it generates everything including your logo, website copy, and contact forms. Plans begin at $12 monthly. The technology behind this uses natural language processing to understand your business goals and automatically creates content that speaks directly to your target audience. Third, we have Bookmark AI, which uses something called IDA technology. You chat with their AI assistant like you are texting a friend. Tell it you run a bakery, and it asks follow-up questions about your specialties, location, and style preferences. Within minutes, you have a fully functional website. This starts at $11.99 per month. The conversational interface works because it mimics how you would naturally explain your business to another person. Fourth is Zyro AI, now part of Hostinger. Their AI writer creates all your website content based on simple prompts like, "Write about my plumbing services in Denver." The AI logo maker designs your brand identity, and the website builder puts everything together automatically. Plans start at $2.99 monthly with their current promotion. This approach works because it handles the 3 biggest pain points: content creation, design, and technical setup, all in one streamlined process. Finally, there is Jimdo Dolphin. You speak to their AI like you are having a conversation. Say, "I need a website for my yoga studio that feels calm and peaceful," and it understands both the functional and emotional requirements. Pricing begins at $9 per month. The power here lies in emotional intelligence programming that translates feelings and brand personality into visual design elements. Now, I understand if you are feeling skeptical right now. I was too when I first heard about these tools. How could artificial intelligence really understand my unique business better than a human designer? But here is what happened when small business owners actually tried these platforms. Sarah, who runs a local pet grooming service, had her website live in 20 minutes using Durable AI. Within the first month, she booked 40% more appointments because customers could finally find her services online and book directly through her site. Michael, a contractor, used Wix ADI and saw his leads double in 6 weeks because the AI optimized his site for local search results automatically. Here is what I want you to do. Pick one of these 5 platforms and give it 30 days. Start with the free trial that each one offers. Spend just 15 minutes describing your business in plain English and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Do not overthink it. Just describe what you do and who you serve like you are talking to a neighbor. Remember, the biggest mistake small business owners make is waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect solution. These AI tools are not perfect, but they are powerful enough to get you online professionally and affordably. Small, consistent actions create dramatic results. And having a professional website is no longer a luxury for big businesses. It is a necessity for survival in today's market.